Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download a patient summary PDF file to upload into any other software that you currently use. When you log into the WeTree app, you're going to navigate to the Consultant tab here. From there, you will go to a completed consultation and migrate to the Files tab. You'll notice there's a patient chart link and the type is Summary. After clicking the patient chart, a PDF document will then be generated to download. It will have the patient's information as well as their medical history, timestamps of when the advanced practitioner has approved them for treatment, if they were approved, if they're not approved, and then when their consents were signed as well. The download button is in the top right corner, or you can print it out for your records. If you have any other questions, please contact your account manager.